Hey, boy.
Huh?
What's your name?
Name.
What's your name?
Isaiah.
Huh?
Boy.
What's your name?
Name.
What's your name? Say Elijah.
Isaiah.
What's your brother's name?
Isaiah. Okay.
You like music?
Huh?
You like music?
No.
You don't like it?
Huh? Huh? Good child.
What's your name?
My name is Greg Taylor.
What's your name, boy?
Isaiah Taylor.
Isaiah Taylor?
Yeah.
Conversations with my nephews. Hey.